So now we look at example 1. The shaded region in the figure below is bounded by the curve y is equal to negative 2x squared plus 7x and y is equal to negative x plus 6. So this is the curve and is bounded by the two equations. So first, find the coordinate of A and B. So in order to find the coordinate of A and B, so this is intersection between the straight line and the curve. So we're going to solve simultaneously. So let's say A, y is equals to negative 2x squared plus 7x. This is equation 1. And then y is equals to negative x plus 6. This is equation 2. So I'm going to substitute equation 1 into equation 2. So equation 1 substitute into equation 2. So from y, I will change to negative 2x squared plus 7x will be equals to negative x plus 6. So next, I will move negative 2x squared and 7x to the right hand side. So on our left hand side, this one will become 0 is equals to negative x plus 6. From negative 2x squared now will become positive 2x squared. From here is positive 7x. When I move to right hand side, it will become negative 7x. Next, I try to simplify. So from here, 2x squared negative x minus 7x will become negative 8x. And finally, here is plus 6. So plus 6 is equals to 0. You can notice that this is multiple of 2. 2, 8, and 6 is the multiple of 2. So I try to simplify by dividing 2. So we have x squared minus 4x plus 3 is equals to 0. Next, we're going to factorize this quadratic equation. So you can use your calculator to factorize or you can do it manually. So here is, let's say x. Here is negative 3. So here is negative 1 is equals to 0. So I try to factorize. So x will be equals to 3 or x will be equals to positive 1. Next, we will find the coordinate of y. So let's say from equation 2. So when x is equals to 3, y will be equals to negative 3 plus 6. Y is equals to positive 3. So x is 3, y is 3. So based on this graph, x is 3, y is 3. So therefore, the coordinate of B will be equals to 3 and 3. So when x is equals to 1, y will be equals to negative 1 plus 6, which is equals to positive 5. Therefore, our coordinate of A is 1 and 5. So here is 1 and 5. So from here, we know that the value of x is 1. Here, the value of x is 3. So this is coordinate of A, the coordinate of x for point A, and the coordinate of x for point B. So the boundary is from 1 to 3. So next, we'll try to find the area of the shaded region. Since we are using the value of x, so 1 and 3 is the value of x. So our equation must be in terms of x. So next, we're going to find the area of the shaded region. So next here, area of shaded region. is equals to integration from 1 to 3. So this is the boundary. Upper function minus lower function. So the upper function is negative 2x squared plus 7x. So our upper function is negative 2x squared plus 7x minus integration from 1 to 3, and the lower function is negative x plus 6. So is negative x plus 6. So upper function minus lower function. So next we will try to integrate. So integrate negative 2x squared, increase the index by 1. So it will become negative 2x cubed over 3 plus increase the index by 1. So it will become 7x squared over 2 from 1 to 3 minus integrate again, increase the index by 1. So it will become x squared over 2 plus 6x from 1 to 3. Next, we will try to substitute the value. So the first part, negative 2 substitute 3 cubed over 3 plus 7 times 3 squared over 2 minus substitute the value of 1. So this one will become negative 2 1 power of 3 over 3 plus 7 times 1 squared over 2. So this is the first part minus the second part. First substitute 3. So negative 3 squared over 2 plus 6 times 3 minus negative 1 power of 2 over 2 plus 6 times 1. So we try to simplify. So from here, the first part will be, let's say here is 3 power of 3, which is 27. Divide by 3 is 27, divide by 3 is 9. And then 9 times 2 is negative 18. Plus this one, 3 squared times 7, divide by 2. So here is 63 over 2. This is the first part. So negative 9 power of 3 divided by 3 times negative 2. So it's negative 18. Minus here 1 cube. So this is negative 2 over 3 plus 7 over 2. This is the first part. Minus, now come to the second part. So here is 9. So negative 9 over 2 plus 18. Plus 18. Minus, here is negative 1 over 2 plus 6. So we try to simplify. Negative 18 plus 63 over 2. Here we have 27 over 2 minus negative 2 over 3 plus 7 over 2. So here is 17 over 6 minus, so this part negative 9 over 2 plus 18. Here we have 27 over 2 minus negative 1 over 2 plus 6. So here we have 11 over 2. So by simplify this part, 27 over 2 minus 17 over 6. So we have here is 32 over 3 minus 27 over 2 minus 11 over 2. So here we get 8. Finally, the answer will be 32 over 3. The minus 8. The answer is 8 over 3 unit squared. So here is the area.